AI is making us all sound the same. And if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a founder, if you're a freelancer, or you're just in corporate, you have to be able to communicate your value and communicate your story and your brand in a way that stands out. So how do you do that? Well, you've come to the right place. This is going to be a highly interactive workshop. I won't be speaking the entire time. That's just not my style, because I believe that you just got to learn by doing it. So what are you going to walk away with? You're going to walk away with a simple framework of how to engage with your audience and build trust with them immediately through your own story. The good thing is, you are the only person who has your unique perspective and your set of stories and experiences. And all you need is a framework to help bring that all together in a way that helps you stand out. So that's what you're going to walk away with, a framework, and some of you might have the opportunity to pitch live. That's right, I said pitch live, so don't be scared. There's no prep needed, no experience needed, but you'll have the chance to get coaching from me, a public speaking coach, a TEDx speaker, and someone who's worked at Google and YouTube for over 15 years helping people tell their stories. You won't want to miss it, and I hope to see you there.